I ride because I want to be in love. I want to feel the passion. I want to feel the freedom. I first started riding when I saw a group of women who looked strong and they were in control, and I looked at them riding, and they had this freedom about them, and I decided I want to be like those girls. I want that freedom. I want to feel what they're feeling. I am a medical doctor, and since med school I knew that I wanted to bring children, babies into this world. It's not just a job. I live through it. It's so fulfilling to see life begin, and hearing that heartbeat, the first heartbeat, it's unbelievable. When women see me on a Harley Davidson, they see that I am breaking perceptions. What I want women to feel and to see when they see me ride my bike is that we are diverse, and the more diverse we are, the more beautiful we are. And I can be a mom, I can be a gynecologist, but I can also be, a badass rider. When I'm on the bike, I feel like then I'm the queen of the road. That's what freedom means to me. Being comfortable in your own skin. Being able to be the owner of my thoughts and not being apologetic about it. I have that feeling of excitement and passion. And I say, I'm riding my Harley Davidson because I want to do it.